How to make the best use of your storage space. Disassemble your furniture. Take apart your furniture to make it smaller and keep the screws safe in a bag attached to the frame. Disassembled furniture is much easier to store, maximizing the space in your unit so everything fits perfectly. Storage inside storage. Save space by storing smaller items inside larger ones. A fridge is a great reuse of space, so fill it with boxes, but always wedge the door open so air still circulates. Stack to the ceiling. To make the best use of your storage space, stack boxes to the ceiling. Create an aisle. Place your boxes close to the walls and make a path down the center of your unit. Face the box labels into the aisle so you can easily find what you need. Map your unit. Draw a basic map of the contents of your unit to help you find items again quickly. Tape it to the wall of the unit for reference later. This is particularly important when you really need to find those, essentials. Shurgard, for every move in life.